You already know what time it is. Unboxing time, and we got something pretty cool here today. All right, so we're not gonna do any fluff. The way I'm doing these little unboxing of parts is just doing what I want to do. So we got something here from the good people over at Billetworkz. Reached out to them. They have a short shifter for the GR Corolla. And as you know, if you've been paying attention to the channel, I've been shifting and changing bushings and short shifters all day long. And the difference with this particular one here that we're going to check out, and I haven't even taken out the box yet, is this one can pair up with another short shifter I have from a company called RacerX. So we're just going to take this out the box. One box here, then this box here. I don't think there's anything else in this box. You got anything? We just got paper. All right, toss in the box. All right, box toss. Okay, get my little knife out. I gotta, open this up appropriately. Little baby knife. All right, so let's do straight to it. Gonna cut this first one open. I don't really know what's in this one particularly. It's something, but I think it might be a shift knob. We're gonna find out, right? Well, maybe we're not gonna find out. Okay, how about just chill out a second and oh, here we go. Duh. That's how it opens up. Bring you down a tad bit. So this first box we got right here. Now this is clearly a shift knob, I believe, because I did get one. Let's check it out. Okay. Look at that. I do like how this looks. If you notice, it has like these like teal specks into it. It's called Cosmic Blue. But as you can see, it has the Billetworkz logo here at the bottom. But you have this like dark blue color. The light may not be picking up what I see in there, but if you spin it around some angles, you can see like it's like almost like clouds in there. Think of like, space clouds or whatever it may be, galaxies and stuff. It's what it's supposed to be like. So you can see this different color that it has. I like that. So this is a weighted shift knob. Like it has good weight in my hand. I like how it feels. It has a nice smooth grip to it. It's not, overly stainless steel will get hot in the summer. But I do like the fact that it's not black because, listen, sometimes I got lotion on my hands, black shift knob, Delrin material, starts looking a little crazy. So this is a shift knob from Billetworkz, Cosmic Blue. I don't know what else is in this box. Oh, little adapters for it that you might need. So that is nice. I like that a lot. Now, on to the next thing. So we're going to put that to the side. And this is probably what we're here for is this short shifter. Just going to go ahead and cut this open. And I opened that the wrong direction. So we're going to open. There we go. That's the right way. We got some paper. Toss that to the side. So this looks like those bushings that they put under the base of the shift assembly when you put on this short shifter. Similar to the ones I've had before from 2J and DC Sports. That's what these look like. Though I will say this, depending on how these are, or if the DC Sport ones have the same height, I'm going to keep using those. But that's what this is here for. I'm assuming this little zip tie is to hold these in place or something. It's to do something. We'll find the instructions when the time comes to install this. But here goes some hardware. And the main attraction is this right here. That is the short shifter. Now, you're looking at this and you're like, yo, it ain't really nothing else to look at. But the whole point of this is to notice just how it will kind of be in the car. So if you have it like this, it'll shorten the throws because of how long this point is to the fulcrum. So this point here is much longer, so it'll shorten the throws when you go in this direction, obviously, as you can see. back and forth, shortens the throws. This is very nice. It feels it actually has weight to it as well. So it's interesting because this kind of feels weighted. It's not like plastic. Like the one in the GR Corolla has plastic at the bottom of it. If you've seen on my other videos putting on bushings and short shifters, and it's very, very light, but this has some weight to it. I did opt for silver. Now, at first I had it blue, but the reason why I went for silver is to allow me different shift knobs in the future without having to tie it into blue, right? So this is the reverse lockout. As you can see it moving up and down when you put it in the car. Now, paired with the shift knob, let's go ahead and do that. If I can just kind of, let me see if I can just screw. Nope, I got to put some hardware on it. Let's have a little fun. I'm going to put this down and I'm going to take out the hardware for this. I'm just going to do a quick little test run. See how the shift knob looks on here. Does it screw on like this? Yes, it does. I'm going to screw that on there. Obviously, this is not really the way it's supposed to do things. I'm just doing this real fast to just see what the shift knob looks like on it. We're going to then screw that on. Okay. That's pretty much the whole assembly right there. That is the entire shift knob. Now that looks really good. And it has some weight to it. So when everything is together, I feel the extra weight. So I would suspect this paired with the short shift I already have on there from Racer X will give me probably the most stiff and shortened throws. We will see when I put this on. There are a few people online saying they had some issues. They put it on. It didn't work well. I don't know about all that. I'm going to see what I get. So this is dope. Oh, snap. You got the sticker? Say word. So I got a sticker. I'm going to throw it on somewhere. Maybe not on the car or maybe under the hood. I don't know. As time goes on and I accumulate these from the parts that I'm able to put on and companies I'm working with, I'll make some area on the car with like a collage of the stickers, but nice. I appreciate that. So that's the whole look. That is a shift knob. That is a short shifter. That is everything in there from Billetworkz. And this is going to be going on the car very shortly. So stay tuned. I'm not going to go too much further on this unboxing. Like I said, short and sweet to the point. Like I said, shift knob looking good. We're going to put this down here, put the hardware back, and listen, tap in. This is going to go on fairly soon, and we're going to shoot a whole install video, and we're going to do a test drive video. We're going to have a good time. But until then, holla. Peace.